Hi, my special bestie. You must be wondering why I have gathered you here today, and that is because my kitchen is so bad. I cooked last night and it didn't go well, so I kind of gave up for the night and was like, you know what, I'll deal with this tomorrow. We have dishes to do. There's just so much that I need to clean. The holiday season is approaching. I need to get it together. Things need to be cleaned so I can decorate. There's just so much to do. And I didn't want to do it alone, so I figured I would take you along with me. So if you are interested in some maybe cleaning motivation, or so you don't have to clean alone, then keep on watching. Objective 1 is done. The countertops are clean. I didn't necessarily like deep clean them with soap and water. I just sprayed them down with a multi-surface spray because I know this is gonna get crumbs on it for me cleaning the rest of the area. So I'll deep clean it at the end of the night, but look how good it's looking so far. We are making some great progress. Got some dishes done, got the counters done. I'm gonna take a mini break so I don't burn myself out because I am infamous for that. So I think next we'll tackle everything on this side of the kitchen. Well, objective 2 has been met. I have cleaned this side of the kitchen. Again, with this side, I wiped it down but didn't do a deep clean because I deep cleaned the counters at the same time. At least all of the crumbs and stuff are up. There's nothing sticky on the counters. And at least they look really pretty right now. So the kitchen itself is done other than needing to take out the trash and do another load of dishes, but I'll get to the dishes later on in the day. And we did my sourdough. I have been keeping this sourdough alive for over a month now. I think you're supposed to feed it every day, sometimes 2 times a day. I do it every other day. sometimes every other day if I forget, but she's still alive and thriving. So I haven't used her yet for baking, but I wanted to get her going before the holiday season in case I did want to make any sourdough creations. I already had it ready for me. What an accomplishment. I'm feeling good, and this is prepping us for the next phase of the attack. I probably shouldn't say that. This was prepping us for the next phase of our mission for the day. And this one is the most daunting because I have a bunch of returns to make, and I hate packaging returns. Something about having to mail back a return just so monotonous. But life continues on. So now let's tackle the table. We have made amazing progress. I did all of my returns. They're all off this table. This box that's right here, I keep at my dining room table so I can put clothes that I'm selling to ThredUp in there. And I do have a little pile to sell, so I'm gonna keep that out. All of the Christmas stuff is stacked up high in one area. I have a little workstation going right there, but the table is clear. It is looking so good in here. I feel so much better. I couldn't go into the week without having my life put together. We have one more thing to do, and that's wipe off the fridge. at how much the sourdough has risen since we did it. That's insane. I'm in my studio right now and I was filming an overhead shot for another video, so I figured I could give you an overhead shot of this beautiful palette and do some swatches. This is the White Adjuster lightest foundation shade, second lightest, and third lightest. This one is the bronzer, and then these are the two highlights. And then down here are the 4 blush shades. Don't those look dreamy? All right, my swatches got a little out of control, but this is gonna be so fun to play with. I'm so excited. I filmed all of my after clips, so I'm ready to put it together. Sunny is going crazy. I'm also gonna show you some behind the scenes footage. I was taking all these like aesthetic clips of my room, and then I was like, you know what, I should go around and take a little video of all the really unaesthetic places in my room just for some balance. So I'll insert those here. Excuse you. The candle has been lit. I still need to do another load of dishes, but the dishwasher's running, so I'm gonna get to that probably off camera. But we did it. It took me not even that long at all, honestly, only a couple of hours to get everything done. And we do have the cleaners coming and they're gonna do the floors for me, so I don't have to worry about those today. But I hope you are enjoying your time before the holidays starts. If you have any cleaning to do like me, then please do it to this video. We can do it together. We have so many fun videos coming up, so I'm so excited. So much is going on. Well, besties, I hope you give yourself a little extra love today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.